Welcome back to another UGGtober episode on ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be covering the UGG Women's Classic Ultra Mini in the chestnut colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be covering yet again another bestseller UGG silhouette. These are the UGG Women's Classic Ultra Minis, which you've definitely seen on celebs like Kendall Jenner, Selena Gomez, just to name a few. So we'll jump into the overview of these, talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this, really just clean chestnut colorway. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market currently. Let's jump right into it. So if you have been a fan of the UGG Women's Classic boot, which comes in different heights, I also brought the Classic Mini too, which is kind of the step up from the Mini. And then there are a couple other heights, which we'll probably have a video later on with that as well. But as far as it goes, this is definitely one of the highest rated boots, and I feel like women are drawn to this just because it's a lower cut, so it doesn't cover too much of your leg, which still gives you that look and feel of a long length on your legs because it's not cutting much of your leg off. As far as color schemes go, this comes in a ton of different colorways. There's at least 8 different colorway options out there, from caribou black to gray to red jasper to a nice just pale blue Eve blue colorway, or a sand color scheme variation on this one. But I'd decide just to go with the classic, the chestnut. As far as the ratings go on this, pretty high rating. So this overall is about a 4.5 out of 5 stars across all retail brands for reviews. And as far as comfort goes, definitely just people are obsessed with this. It is extremely comfortable, has good wear and tear on it, and just really looks like a really trendy, good looking sneaker on foot. All right, now let's talk about sizing. So as far as sizing goes, I would 100% size a full size down. I typically go with a size 9, but because these run so big, I went with a size 8, and these fit me perfectly. All right, now let's talk about how to style these. Definitely don't feel like you can't really dress these up and down. I definitely have seen Kendall and Selena dress these in different ways. So for this look, I decided to go kind of on the comfortable side of things with a monochromatic look. I wore an all denim pair of pants with a matching denim button-down collared shirt. As far as retail goes, these retail at $150. If you haven't tried this low cut out yet, definitely give it a try. I will have all the retail shops for all of the different color schemes for this specific silhouette on the video, so be sure to check that out. That is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all in the next episode.